Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Aliana and today I will present my research paper with the title Drop-off and Pick-up Zone in Selected Primary School in Selangor. In this slide, I am sharing with you some of the common facility around the school area, especially in primary school. The most important facility that should be made available in school area is traffic warden. Traffic warden is very important to ensure that the school children would be able to cross safely from one side to the other side of the road. Besides the traffic warden, other facilities around the school that should be made available are overhead bridge, bus stop, zebra crossing, signalized crossing, as well as pedestrian walkway. Zebra crossing and signalized crossing is the next important facilities to be made available in case the school will not able to provide traffic warden. In the previous slide, I have shared with you the 6 most common facility around the school area. However, there is one more important facility that should be made available in school area, which is the drop-off and pick-up zone. The Public Work Department has produced a guideline to help the local authority to build according to standard drop-off and pick-up zone in school area. The aim and objective of this study are to identify the characteristic of primary school with drop-off and pick-up area. The second objective is to assess the utilization of the designated drop-off area. And the third objective is to determine the trend of dropping off students within the school vicinity. To carry out this project, we are using the observation method to collect all the important information. First, we need to identify the availability of the drop-off and pick-up zone at that particular school. Subsequent to that, we will observe for about 30 minutes to see the trend of the school children around the school area. For this study, we have randomly picked 30 primary schools in Selangor State. From these 30 schools, there are only 11 schools that are available with drop-off and pick-up area. From these 11 schools, we have categorized the school based on the district, the road type, as well as the area type. The road type are categorized into 3 categories, which is the primary street, local street, as well as federal and state road, whereas the area type are categorized into 2 categories, urban and rural area. From these 11 schools, there are about 5 schools are located in urban area, where the rest 6 are located in the rural area. This slide is showing us the result of the drop-off and pick-up zone utilization rate for the 11 primary school. The utilization rate in the 11 schools vary from one to another. SK Pusat Bandar Puchong has the highest utilization rate with 78%, while SJKC Pandamaran V has the lowest utilization rate with only 28%. In this slide, I am sharing with you some of other findings from this study. One is in terms of the vehicle type that used by the school children at this 11 primary school and the number of group children in each vehicle. The most common vehicle type used in this 11 school are car, followed by motorcycle and school bus. From this study, we found out that there is variation in the design of this drop-off and pick-up zone in this 11 primary school. The utilization of the drop-off and pick-up zone is also at moderate level, where from the 11 school, the average of utilization is at 51%. More effort can be done to increase the utilization level of drop-off and pick-up zone to ensure the safety level of school children at each school can be increased. As a conclusion, the trend of dropping off students within the school vicinity is at 51.9% in the DNP area, 38.8% at the near side, and 17.3% at the far side. Education to the parents can help to improve the DNP utilization rate at this 11 school. To increase and improve the usage of DNP in Malaysia, a reference to other developed country has been made. In developed country, they mainly use signages, campaign, and education to parents to inform them how to use the DNP effectively to ensure the safety level of school children can be improved. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you for listening. The finding from this project is hope can able to increase the safety level, especially at the primary school area. Thank you.